Inland Empire, San Diego County coastal areas, San Diego County mountains, San Diego County valleys and Santa Ana mountains and foothills. Flash flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through late Wednesday night. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood watch for portions of California and Southwest California, including the following areas in California: Orange County inland areas and Santa Ana mountains and foothills. In Southwest California, Riverside County mountains, San Bernardino and Riverside County valleys, the Inland Empire, San Diego County coastal areas, San Diego County mountains and San Diego County valleys. From Tuesday morning through late Wednesday night, periods of heavy rain will bring a threat of flash flooding, mudslides and debris flows to recently burned areas, as well as steep and